Our first company up today is called SAReye. They set out to solve a real problem experienced by the local search and rescue operations. And they are here to tell us about their new disaster management program called SAReye. Hjörtur Geirbjörnsson, yep. Please welcome him.
Thank you. Mr. President, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Hjörtur, and I'm the CEO of SAReye. And I'm really excited to be here today to tell you a little bit about what we are doing. But first, a thought. You all know this. Disasters happen. We train for them, prepare for them, hope they never happen, but still they do. And with them comes chaos, panic, and a flood of decisions that need to be made. But with the right crisis management, damages, cost, and injury can be contained to a minimum. And that is where SAReye comes in. We are developing a new real-time incident management system. Now you might ask yourself, what in the world does a real-time incident management system do exactly? Well, let's look at a recent example and I'll explain it to you. You might have seen this picture in the news recently. This is Costa Concordia, a cruise liner that famously ran aground off the coast of Italy last year. Some of you might also know that sadly 32 people lost their lives that night. But I bet that most of you don't know that some lead players in the company's internal crisis management team have been sentenced to 2 to 3 years of prison time for their failure to properly manage this incident. They lacked overview, the right information at the right time, and a thoroughly trained crisis management plan, which is, sadly, the case of many large corporations today. So, let's look at another scenario. Let's imagine that Costa bought our incident management software 1 year prior to the incident and had trained with it a couple of times. As soon as the crew of Costa Concordia sensed that something might have gone wrong, their onboard safety officer starts an incident in our software. He reports that the captain told him that they seemed to have hit something on the seabed. Now, this is instantly shared with the company's internal management team ashore and enables the incident managers to take the right decisions right from the start. Our system is also capable of scraping popular social media sites such as Facebook and Twitter. These images were put up on these sites only minutes after the incident. And by getting these pictures right away, this enables the incident managers to get a better view of the scope of the situation. Now, let's look at the progress screen of our software 2 hours into the rescue efforts. We are actively managing all decisions and events that are happening in real time. By that, we are managing all local search and rescue teams. Now, there's an added benefit to this. Even today, 12 months after the incident, legal and insurance matters are still going on. And their biggest problem is trying to piece together what exactly happened, what actions were made, and who took them. By using our software, this is all logged, and this streamlines all further legal and insurance processes after the incident. We also actively manage all groups that are involved in the rescue operations, such as local hospitals, fire brigades, and incident management teams. We also log all the most important tasks that are in process and need to be done, as well as all real-time information, such as number of personnel on site, all relevant information about the site and the vessel, and all relevant map points. Now, our software is not only for these large-scale disasters. It can also be used for smaller day-to-day incidents and projects. Now, we are focusing on larger companies and organizations where these incidents do occur. This niche market is highly specialized but crucial for efficient business management. Our system is designed by and in collaboration with world-class incident managers. It's based on a common core incident management system which incorporates resource management, black box logging, tasks, and processes. On top of this, we are able to build industry-specific add-ons, which incorporate all industry-specific processes, checklists, training, and simulations. We also offer consultation and integration services on top of that. Now, the SAReye team has a healthy mix of entrepreneurial spirit as well as veteran business developers. First, you have myself and Skule. We recently graduated from the University of Iceland, each with a double bachelor's degree in engineering. Then we have our CFO, Guðbrandur. He's an active incident manager in SAReye, the Icelandic Search and Rescue Organization, veteran business developer, and has an MBA. Then we have Björngeir. He's a surgeon, has an executive master of public health degree, and is very experienced in hospital management. And these are our revenue projections for the next 4 years. We already have one customer, which is SAReye, the Icelandic National Search and Rescue Organization. And in the coming months, we have talks and meetings with numerous other companies, and we expect to have at least 6 customers by the end of this year. And we only plan to grow from there. We plan to break even in the first half of 2015. We are looking for a $350,000 investment for a 12-month runway for our 5-person team. This money will be spent on continued development of our system, as well as sales and marketing efforts overseas. Now, I really look forward to connecting with you all after the presentation, or you can send us a line at info@SAReye. Before I leave the stage, I'm going to leave you with one question. Is your company prepared for the next disasters? Thank you.